I've been practicing medicine for nearly 30 years, and over the years, I've seen a lot of medical conditions and issues of life that have been very challenging to deal with. Those could go from AIDS to Zellweger's syndrome, which is a neuronal hypomyelin disorder. These are very troubling issues. I remember my first AIDS patient back in 1985 in Florida. Walked out of the room and what am I going to do? Sat back and regrouped with other physicians, and we talked. Hopeless. I'd like to read a story. If I can. From her sickbed, Eddie Bacon wrote of the travails. A terminal patient faces and makes a final plea for the only drug that might save her. The government wants proof of efficacy before it will allow me to do this drug. How's it out of approval trial? But proof is years away. I need the drug now. It's safe, it might work. Johnson & Johnson would let me have it if they could do so without the threat of a government hassle. But they're so caught up in the FDA web that the life of an individual patient has no importance whatsoever. Without ET 743, I'm a dead woman walking. 5 kids are going to wonder why they're left without a mother. Won't somebody help me get this drug? I don't know when that was written, but I could substitute my daughter for that woman. All this bill is to allow investigational medications, biologics, or devices out there that's gone through phase 1 to be available to people who have the right to determine their future, not the FDA. I think we have witnesses here today that I think it's important that you hear their story. But I've certainly seen people out there that I'm perplexed by that we can't move forward with a treatment plan. I've seen medications that have been highly effective and pulled from the market because somebody had an issue with it. Somebody may have died, but it was effective for another individual. Then that medication's pulled from the market. I've struggled with this for many years. My mom had multiple myeloma. She died 14 years ago. I wonder if there's an investigational medication for her out there. Tom Brokaw currently has multiple myeloma. I wonder where he might be in an investigational trial. These investigational trials are lengthy. They can last 12 years. Many millions, if not billions of dollars are put into these investigations. All I'm asking today is for the board to take, the committee to take a look at this Compassion Care Act, or the right to try. It's a short bill. I'd be happy to meet with anybody anytime to discuss it further, or to provide more research for you. With that, Mr. Chairman, I conclude my comments.